Are you struggling to get a great score in repeat sentence? If you want to get 80 or 90 score in repeat sentence, follow these simple tricks and you will definitely score 80 or even 90 in repeat sentence. First of all, focus upon your pronunciation. If you're not able to speak the words properly with a proper pronunciation, you will never be able to get a good score in content and both pronunciation. Unless and until you are pronouncing the words properly, you are speaking in a proper way, only then you can get a 80 or 90 score in content as well as pronunciation. Apart from that, if you are not speaking the words clearly and a bit loudly, you will not be able to record your audio properly in the mic. You have to speak at a bit a higher pitch at whatever your volume is. Practice to speak at a higher pitch, because when you will go to the test center to give the test as well, there will be a lot of students sitting beside you who will be speaking along with you. This will also help you to focus more upon the screen and not upon the students which are speaking beside you. Apart from that, what you have to do, which is very important, is take minimum pauses or take no pauses. Try to take no pauses in repeat sentence. From beginning of the sentence till end of the sentence, you have to continuously speak the sentence in a proper flow without pauses. Then you will easily score 90 score in fluency as well. Follow these tips and you will easily score 80 to 90 score in repeat sentence. Thank you.